Today we are going to see 30 use cases of SOQL queries in Salesforce. I already prepared all the queries and the requirements in this Word document. Much required explanation, but anyhow I will show you quickly this queries already. Okay, let me explain this. So here, we are getting the account records where name equal to Salesforce. Select ID name from account where name equal to Salesforce. And second one where name not equal to Salesforce. We use here not operator. This one not operator. Let me maximize. Okay, not equal. Next, third one. Here we are getting the records based on the two conditions. One is name equal to Salesforce and industry equal to energy. Next one is in place of and I kept or. That's it. If it will satisfy any of the condition, it will fetch the records. And here we are comparing annual revenue greater than 1000 and less than 1000, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not less than 1000. So here we need to consider greater than or equal to this one. Here not greater than means less than or equal to, less than or equal to. See, this is important relationship. Account record which don't have associated contact records. So here we are querying the account and we taking help of where ID not in. Here select account ID from contact. So let me show you this ID from contacts. Here you can see not in. Okay. Here account records which don't have associated contact records. Here we are comparing where ID means account ID, not in, not in. We are checking that account ID in the contact object, and if it is not present in the contact object account ID, those records only we are fetching. So that is the meaning. This is to like get account ID we prepared on the contact object. Account record which have associated contact records. Here we are getting the account records which are associated with the contact. So here select ID from account where ID in, select account ID from contact. So these all queries already I executed and these are all correct and working fine. Just you can, I will share you this document in comment section, and I will provide you the LinkedIn post also. Please download or you can take printout and practice. Account records where account name is start with A. Here we are using like operator, like within the inverted commas A percentage means it will give you the A percentage. It will give you the records where it will start with letter A. Okay, let me show you output. Yes, so these are the records starting with A. Here you can see A percentage means A is coming first, so start with A. Now you can see like percentage A means end with A. A letter is lost in this part, so that's why end with A. Here you can see it is middle, between two percentage symbols. That's why it contains A. Same, you can observe. Putting percentage contains A. This is the record. Now end with A. I am removing the last percentage. Now you can count. So these two records are ending with A letter. Name ending with A letter. Next, minimum. These are the aggregate minimum and maximum, average, count, sum. Okay. So here let me show you the output. Minimum annual revenue from account. Yeah, this is the minimum. Now by changing it to max, we will get the maximum. Maximum annual revenue from account is the maximum amount. Next, sum of annual revenue from account. Next, average. Average annual revenue from account. So here we saw minimum and remaining functions maximum, average, sum. Now count. 9. Next, get contact record its parent. Here we are getting the contact record and its parent record. So we are writing query on the contact. So we are getting the parent fields with parent dot field name. Here account dot id, account dot name. Here we will write select id comma name comma account dot id comma account dot name from contact. So this is first one is contact, here account id, account name. That's it. And now get count of account based on industry, total record count and account. Here this is the total count, and in the roll-up summary we can get this total. Same we can get with group by industry also, but with roll-up we can get total number of the records. That is the extra point. The account record based on the create edit in descending order. So here select ID created from account, order by created a descending. Here you can check order by. Order by we can use directly after account. There is no need to write where. That is the wrong. So here account order by created a descending. Descending means it will take to like maximum date. So as we need descending order, so here we can get the latest record also, like limit 1. Display the latest account record. Here created a descending means it will take maximum date number and limit 1. So it will display the latest record. Let me execute this query. So this is the latest. And here display older account record. Here we are order by created date ascending limit 1. So that's why it will take you minimum date minimum number of data. So it will display oldest account record. Account record based on created date ascending order. Yes, created date ascending. And one more point is here is by default, even if you don't mention create by ascending, it will display the records in ascending order only. To get a count of record based on the group by industry. Here industry count of ID from account group by industry. So here we are grouping by industry and we're getting the count of ID. So based on the industry, how many records represent? Let me show you this. Yeah, I will write. Select industry, comma, count of ID from account group by industry. Yes. So here group by industry. It is displaying group by industry. Next, group by industry. Here, get all account group by industry, display only those industries with more than 2 accounts. Here, group by industry. Here we will use having count of ID greater than 2. So here we are using having count group by. In case of group by, we need to use having only. Group by and having. Count of 1 or based on requirement we will mention. Retrieve first 5 account, 5 accounts. Select ID name from limit 5. We will use limit to display the to get the number of records. Now offset. Offset means skip. Offset 1 means it will display the limit 15, but it will skip the first record. First record. Let me show you that one also. Select ID, comma name from account. Okay, let me show you output. Now here see sample account for entitlement. Now I am writing limit 10 offset 1 sample account for entitlement. So there is no sample account for entitlement. Why? Because it's skipped. That's it. So these are the valid queries, and please execute this and please read the requirement and practice. It contains all the classes and operators, and that's it from my end. All the best. If you have any queries, please leave in comment section. Thank you. Subscribe, comment, and share with your connections. Thanks.